Hi, this is Spencer from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. In front of me is the vehicle you inquired about, our 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Now, this is no ordinary Gladiator. This is a high altitude model, one of their highest trim lines. So we have painted bumpers. We have these big black wheels, LED headlights, painted fenders, painted top. Everything is done on this vehicle. Looks very well finished. Beautiful snozzberry red. We have this beautiful metallic LED turn indicators in the fenders, LED headlights with an exterior halo. Love those painted bumpers, fog lights in the bumpers, big wheels, running boards, painted top, removable top so you can take off those two front pieces, get a lot of nice airflow. We have a tonneau cover on the back. Love those painted fenders, lots of room, 4 doors, classic Jeep styling, classic taillights, classic design. It's a beautiful vehicle. Let's take a closer look here at the back. Jeep across the tailgate. We got tow hooks in the back, tow hooks in the front. We'll just move forward here, take a closer look at the interior. High altitude gets leather. It gets diamond stitching. There's our removable top right there. It gets the larger 8-inch display. We've got cruise control functions on the steering wheel. We've got phone control functions. Automatic. There's our 4-wheel drive system. Power plugs, media plugs, heated seats. Really, really nicely equipped. It's a beautiful vehicle. I wanted to put together just a quick video tour. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them for you. This vehicle is here. It's available for sale. Again, Spencer, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. My direct extension is 207-510-2253. If you have any questions, let me know. We can help you arrange shipping anywhere in the United States. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.